Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we're going to dive into 5 advantages that come with upgrading your soffit and fascia when you're having your siding replaced. So let's get started and discover how this one simple change can make a big difference in your home's aesthetics and functionality. Before we dive into all the benefits of changing your soffit and fascia, let's quickly identify what even is soffit and fascia. The soffit is the exposed surface that covers the underside of the roof's overhang or the underside of the eaves. It is typically located between the exterior wall and the roof line. Fascia is the vertical band or board that runs along the lower edge of the roof line directly beneath the eaves. The primary function of the fascia is to provide a smooth, level surface for attaching the gutters and to protect the underlying roof components. Now that we understand what they are, let's explore the incredible benefits that come with replacing your soffit and fascia with siding. Number 1, enhanced curb appeal. New siding can completely transform the look of your home, boosting its curb appeal and leaving a lasting impression on the guests and people strolling through your neighborhood. Number 2, increased durability and protection. Replacing old soffit and fascia with high-quality siding provides better protection against moisture, pests, and other external elements, ensuring the longevity of your home's structure. Number 3, improved energy efficiency. Replacing outdated materials with energy-efficient siding, soffit, and fascia helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and reduces heating and cooling costs. Number 4, reduced maintenance. Modern siding materials require minimal upkeep, saving you time, effort, and money in the long run. And 5, better ventilation and airflow. New soffit and fascia systems improve ventilation, allowing fresh air to circulate throughout your attic to prevent buildup of mold and mildew. And there you have it, 5 benefits of replacing your soffit and fascia with siding. By upgrading these essential components, you can give your home a stunning facelift while protecting and improving its functionality. If you're looking for more ways to update the exterior of your home, check out the video linked above where we highlight 5 ways to update your exterior. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to.